Okay, welcome back. And now here is another example of an application problem. And this equation is developed by studying the motion of the planets. Okay, so again, some of the things is we're looking at velocity, g, m. I'm assuming this is the gravitational constant of the planet, whatever planet you're talking about. M is the mass, A is acceleration, R is the radius, things like that. Okay, so again, this is an application of problem. You don't have to know all of what these variables mean. You just need to know how to solve these. Okay, so if I ask you to solve for m in this case, you should be able to do that. So first of all, we're going to get rid of all the fractions, right? So we need to multiply through by the least common divisor. So again, the least common divisor is, in this case, what? Well, we've got a 2, an A, and an R. The greatest power of all of these is 1. So that means our LCD is going to be 2AR. So we're going to multiply everything by 2AR. Well, if we multiply this by 2AR, the 2's are going to cancel out. We get AR V squared, right? And again, well, let's do this step by step, just so, let's do one more step. So if I multiply everything by 2AR, so I'm going to do 2AR V squared over 2, right? Minus 2AR times GM over R equals negative 2AR times GM over 2A. And so now if I cancel things out, what do I get? Well, the 2's cancel here, the R's cancel here, and the 2A cancels with the 2A here. And I end up with what? I end up with AR V squared minus 2A GM equals negative R GM. And so now all I have to do is isolate the M and solve. So I'm going to move this here has an M, so I'm going to move it over. So I'm going to add 2A GM to both sides. Okay, and so I get AR V squared equals 2A GM minus R GM. And now I'm going to factor out the m, and then I just have to divide by the other factor. So this is going to give me AR V squared equals what? 2A G, oops, minus RG times m. And now all I have to do is divide by 2AG minus RG. And I get M equals AR V squared over 2AG minus RG. And that's it. Okay. Now remember, multiplying through by the least common divisor only works when you're dealing with equations with fractions. Okay? But that's it. Have a great day.